Do you want to create these types of images for free? Then watch the complete video. In this awesome tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create some super cool images and add some awesome motion to them, all for free. So first things first, open up your browser and search for Bing Creator. Once you find it, click on the first link and sign in with your account. Easy peasy, right? Now you'll see a spot where you can type in your prompt. You can find this prompt in the description. Just go ahead and do that, and then hit the Create button. And guess what? In just a few seconds, it's going to whip up some seriously stunning images for you. How cool is that? You can alter the prompt and generate different images as per your imagination. Don't forget to click on each image to get a sneak peek. Oh, and if you want to download any of them without any annoying watermarks, just click on Download here. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Open up the CapCut application. You can do this in your smartphone also. Click on New Project, and then select Import. Choose the image you want to work with and click on Open. Now you can simply drag and drop that image onto the workspace. Easy peasy, right? Now here comes the fun part. Click on Animation up there in the top right corner and then select the Zoom 1-inch effect. Want to see how it looks? Just hit that play button and watch the magic happen. Pretty awesome, huh? Last but not least, let's save this masterpiece. Click on Export and give your video a cool name. Then choose where you want it to be saved and click on Export. And there you have it, my friend. You've created a fantastic video with some seriously cool motion effects. Enjoy showing off your skills. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on ideas and tutorials just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.